Looking for your perfect home in Hidalgo's hottest new community? You're in the right place. McAllen and the surrounding areas are seeing major growth, and as usual, we're in the thick of it. Today, we're in Hidalgo, Texas. We're right here at 1503 North 32nd Street, exploring one of the area's hottest new communities, Sierra Estates. Hey everyone, I'm Bry Tallis, realtor with eXp Realty. If you're excited to see what Hidalgo living looks like, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. So this one is listed at $259,000. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's got very open floor plan, very nice. 1,472 square feet of living. So very beautiful. You walk in, you've got your dining area right here. Very nice. It's very open concept living and dining. You've got your tile flooring. Kitchen looks to be granite countertops. Stainless steel sink here. Love this backsplash over here. You have quite a bit of storage, cabinet space. Top ones are white, bottom ones are black. I love that contrast. Nice little island here. Beautiful. This is your living area right here. Nice large living room. It's got large windows here. Love these large windows. Beautiful. Got some recessed lighting up there. Love that. Large ceiling fan. So it looks like it leads to outside with your little covered patio. So this can be extended. It's not too bad at all. You've got a large backyard. Nice. Doesn't look like there's any neighbors in the back. So it looks like it's rain about to come in. Let's go back inside before it starts pouring on us. Love these windows, wow. Got a nice little area right here with some storage, wine rack, the bar, you can put your coffee over here. Okay, so you've got your pantry to the side over here. Interesting. A small little pantry. That's the biggest. Yeah, it'll work. So you got your laundry room here. Your laundry room, not bad. This is your garage. Okay, 1-car garage, but looks like they did the floors. Very nice. epoxy flooring. Okay, this is your master bedroom. Very nice. 2 windows. Got that same lighting as the rest of the house. Nice. Dual vanity. Large mirror of that. Okay. Large closet. Love that. Nice. Got the cutout. Okay. Put all your shoes up here. Check out this shower. All right, small shower, but like it. So yeah, definitely a spacious primary suite in here, like that. So the seller is offering funding towards your closing costs. Right here. Of all these windows. Let neighborhood watch. No. Nice little bathroom here. Nice little bathroom. Okay. I like it. It's almost larger than the master shower though. This last bedroom. Sorry, you got the fan going. Nice large window you can see outside in the backyard. And there's a school back there. So that's pretty cool. Walking distance from your kid's school. Not bad at all. If you're living here, walk your kids to school. Don't be lazy. Okay, nice closet. I like it.
Well, we've come to the end of this tour of this property. If you're interested in a private tour of this property, give me a call at 956-300-4343. And I'll be happy to give you a private tour. This is Bry Callis, your McAllen Realtor. As always, have a blessed rest of your day.